Okay, so what's up, guys? It's your Cash Appearance once again. And guys, in today's video, I'm considering what we started together. I've started a Bitcoin a journey with you. That was a journey to making a $5 or 50 cities in a day. And I think this is the last part of this video. So I think those of you who are following can testify that I've actually shown you everything that you need to know about Binance in this video. So guys, so I'm just bringing the whole thing to an end. And guys, those of you who want me to continue with Binance, will just comment below and let me know. And before that, let me just bring up quickly my okay guys, as you can see on the screen, this is the video that we have done so far. We have 1 2 3 4, that's part 4 of this video, and this one is the part 5 of this video. So those of you who didn't follow us from the beginning, you can go ahead and check out all the videos, and don't worry, there will be a link below. And guys, please, I want you to do something for me. When you are watching the video, just click on the like button. As you can see, just click on that like button. Click on that like button. That's what that do means that motivates me to make more videos that what I do, people don't really like it. And guys, don't forget to also subscribe. Click on the red subscribe button to be notified that I drop more videos. And with that much talk I do, let's just go into the video real quick. So let's open our Binance. Alright, so absolutely, if you want me to do video about how to trade, the real trading in Bitcoin, just comment below, let me know. Okay guys, when we are here, you can see that coins are losing value, some are gaining value, but we are not here for that. So let me bring it down. When you are here, all that you need to do is click on the more. I don't know if you can see, there is a more up there. There's more at the top out there. Click on the more at the top there. Okay, real quick. Okay, so when you click on this, let's wait for it to open real quick. And don't forget to like this video, okay? Okay guys, when you click on it, it's what will appear. This is the pop menu. You can see at the top there you have what? You have the send, you have the auto invest, and you have the swap farming, you have the staking. We are here for the staking. So you click on the 1 2 3, the fourth one, which is the staking. So we click on it real quick. Alright, so when you click on this, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so when you click on it, a menu will appear like this. You can see what stake now, and we have a lot of things. So somebody, I know most of you will be confused that asked it, what's the meaning of this? Guys, don't worry, I will explain vividly what this thing means. And guys, what this thing means is that we are going to, for example, we are going to invest. Yes, we are going to invest our Bitcoin or our cryptocurrency that we have. We are going to invest it here for a number of days. After that, we are going to get a commission for our investments, which I know most of you there want to do. Yes guys, now in online businesses, before you can gain more, unless you invest more before you gain more. So guys, for example, when you invest in this app, like for example you invest like 4,000, guys, you can be able to get almost like 80,000 from this app. But the only thing here is that it will take you a longer time before you'll be able to do that. But don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you the best coin, or the best coin we are going to invest in that will make a lot of money. So as you can see on the screen, I'm going to search for a coin called the Sun. Okay, as you can see, so that's the coin on the screen right now. You can see. So guys, I may say this is the best coin that when you invest in right now, we are going to make a lot of money from it. And you can see it comes with the number of days and the number of rate, and that's the percentage rate that you're going to get. And guys, that coin is telling us that when you invest in it for 90 days, you're going to make a percentage of what 15.19%. So that's it, by the way. So guys, all that you need to do when you're here is just to click on stake now. And when you click on stake now, it will take you to a place that will look like this, as you can see. Okay, like this, as you can see on the screen. So now when you look, you can see it comes with a number of days that when you invest in it, the more days that you choose, the more percentage you acquire. You can see 30 days is what the rate is 8.5%, which is very, very low. And the 60 days is what, let me just wait for it to load. 60 days was 10.75%, and the 90 days is a more. And guys, as you can see, I'm just going to show you how you'll be able to deposit the sand. As you can see, I don't have sand coin in my wallet, so I'm just going to show you how you deposit it. So now when you're here, click on the trade. You click on the trade. So guys, so when you want me to do video about to trade on Binance, just let me know on the comment section. I'll do video about to trade on Binance, as you can see here. But I'm not here for that, so you click on convert. When you click on the convert at the top there, now they are going to ask us which coin do we have for us to convert. So in case that you have, maybe you have Bitcoin and now you have STD, the one I showed you at the beginning about how to buy, you have all those coins, then you have to locate the coins here. So you have to search for, let me just show you how we do it. You search for the USDT. That's the coin that I showed you about how to buy. I showed you how to buy it. You click on it and you said then that means we are going to transfer it to, then search for the Sun. So search for, okay, Sun 2 is here, search for it. And guys, that means how you convert the SDC towards Sun coin. I hope it's clear. So in case you have any amount of money, I don't have any amount of money in this my wallet. As you can see, available is 0. I don't have any amount of money here. So those of you who have some money in your wallet, you can go ahead and exchange it and go and deposit it or go and invest it for more. And guys, that's by the way. So also, if you want me to do video about how to trade. This I'm not doing. The video all I'm doing is about what, how to buy and sell. So if you want me to do video about how to trade, just comment below and let me know that okay, I said we want you to do video about how to trade. So let's go back to the method again. We go to more. We come to staking once again. Okay, real quick, and click on what, stake now. And that is if you have the Sun coin in your wallet, then you can go ahead and what, and come and click on this and confirm it. And guys, they will lock your money for 120 days, which after that 120 days your money will be sent back into your wallet with interest. So guys, you can invest more than maybe 1,000 and forget about it, and maybe 420 days. And guys, maybe you can invest like 1,000 and maybe for 2 years and 3 years, guys, you can get like almost like 100,000. Yes, it's an experience that I have witnessed, and I'm telling you. I know one of my friends who invested, he invested 500 cities for 4 years and he got what, 40,000. So you can also do it. You can also do it depending on how serious. Just invest the money and forget about it. Just forget about it. That's all. So guys, I think I'm coming to the end of this video. And if you have any question about Binance, anything about Binance, comment below. Let me know your biggest problem. So I'm done with this course. I'm done with this course, and I'm done with what, how to buy and sell Bitcoin. There's nothing video. I'm not going to record video about how to buy and sell Bitcoin unless it's become necessary, or unless people want me to do video about how to do real trading. Because I only do video about how to buy and sell. But in case you want me to do a video about how to trade, just comment below. Let me know your biggest problem. And also, if you think that what I'm doing have helped you a lot, guys, why not go ahead and what, share this video to your friend, click on the subscribe button, and also comment below. Let me know your biggest problem. See you. Peace out.